Hunza Valley is one of the most beautiful and peaceful regions of Pakistan, located in Gilgit-Baltistan. Surrounded by snow-covered mountains, green valleys, and clear rivers, Hunza is like a dreamland for nature lovers, photographers, and travelers. The people of Hunza are friendly, educated, and known for their long lives and healthy lifestyle. The valley is not only famous for its natural beauty, but also for its rich culture and historical landmarks. Every season in Hunza offers a unique charm. Spring brings blooming apricot trees, summer offers cool weather, autumn turns the valley golden, and winter covers it with snow. If you're planning to visit, here are the top 5 must-visit places in Hunza Valley. Number 1. Baltit Fort, Hunza. Baltit Fort is one of the most famous historical buildings in Hunza. It is around 700 years old and sits on a hill above Karimabad. The fort looks like a beautiful wooden palace and offers amazing views of the Hunza Valley and snow-covered mountains. Baltit Fort was home to the royal family of Hunza and is now a museum. Visitors can see old weapons, furniture, and learn about Hunza's history. The walk to the fort is short and enjoyable. It's a great place for taking pictures and learning about culture. Sunset views from the fort are breathtaking. If you love history and nature, Baltit Fort is a must-visit place. The area around the fort also has local shops, cafes, and friendly people. Visiting Baltit Fort feels like stepping back in time, where history and natural beauty come together in a magical way. Number 2. Altit Fort, Hunza. Altit Fort is another ancient fort in Hunza, even older than Baltit Fort. It is believed to be over 900 years old. Located in the village of Altit, this fort stands on a high rock above the Hunza River. It was once the home of Hunza's rulers and also used as a defense point. The fort has been restored beautifully and shows traditional architecture with wooden carvings and stone walls. From the top, you can enjoy a stunning view of the river and mountains. Nearby, there's the beautiful Altit village and the colorful Kabasi garden with apricot trees. Altit Fort is peaceful, less crowded, and full of history. Guides are available to explain the fort's history in simple language. Visiting Altit Fort is not only about the view, but also about learning how people lived centuries ago. It's a place of culture, calmness, and beauty. Number 3. Eagle's Nest, Hunza. Eagle's Nest is a viewpoint located high above Karimabad in Hunza. It is named Eagle's Nest because the view from here makes you feel like an eagle flying in the sky. From this point, you can see many famous mountains like Rakaposhi, Ultar Sar, Ladyfinger Peak, and Golden Peak. Sunrise and sunset from Eagle's Nest are unforgettable. The sky turns golden, and the mountains shine brightly. There is also a hotel and restaurant where you can enjoy local food with a breathtaking view. The road to Eagle's Nest is steep but safe, and it's a favorite spot for tourists and photographers. The air is fresh, the scenery is peaceful, and the feeling is magical. Whether you go for tea, take pictures, or just relax, Eagle's Nest offers an experience you will always remember. It's truly one of the best places in Hunza. Number 4. Adabad Lake, Hunza. Adabad Lake is a beautiful blue lake in Hunza, formed after a landslide in 2010. The lake is about 21 kilometers long and surrounded by tall mountains. Its deep turquoise water looks like a painting. Adabad Lake has become a top tourist attraction in Pakistan. Visitors can enjoy many fun activities here like boating, jet skiing, fishing, and even camping. The lake also has floating hotels and restaurants where you can enjoy a meal while watching the water. The drive to Adabad Lake is very scenic, and the place is perfect for taking photos. In winter, the lake sometimes freezes and becomes even more magical. It's a peaceful place to relax, enjoy the natural beauty, and breathe in the fresh mountain air. If you're visiting Hunza, don't miss Adabad Lake. It's one of the most beautiful lakes in Pakistan and a perfect spot for nature lovers. Number 5. Pasu Cones. Pasu Cones, also known as Pasu Cathedral, are sharp, pointed mountain peaks located in Upper Hunza, near the village of Pasu. These cone-shaped peaks look like natural towers and are famous all over the world for their unique beauty. The view of Pasu Cones from the Karakoram Highway is truly breathtaking. Behind the cones, the giant Pasu Glacier adds more charm to the landscape. This area is perfect for photography, trekking, and enjoying peaceful mountain views. The village of Pasu is small and peaceful, with friendly locals and a few guest houses. Nearby, you can also visit the famous Husseini Suspension Bridge, known as one of the most dangerous bridges in the world. Stunning during sunset when the peaks turn golden. Whether you're a photographer, an adventure lover, or just a traveler looking for peace, the Pasu Cones offer a once-in-a-lifetime view. If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up. Share it with fellow travelers, and subscribe for more incredible journeys. Which place would you visit first? Let us know in the comments below. See you in the next adventure.